Welcome to our deep dive into the fascinating evolution of bubble wrap. A seemingly simple packaging material that has transformed into a billion-dollar industry. You might think of bubble wrap as just a fun way to protect your fragile items during shipping, or a stress relief tool for popping. But its journey is far more intriguing. Bubble wrap was invented in 1957 by engineers Alfred Fielding and Mark Chavan, who initially envisioned it as a textured wallpaper. However, it quickly found its true calling in the world of packaging, providing a lightweight and effective solution for cushioning delicate products. Its significance in the shipping and logistics industry cannot be overstated, as it has become a staple for businesses and consumers alike. In this video, we'll explore the unexpected journey of bubble wrap, from its humble beginnings to its rise as a multi-million-dollar industry. We'll uncover the innovative uses that have emerged over the years and how this simple material has adapted to meet the ever-changing demands of the market. So, get ready to pop into the world of bubble wrap and discover the surprising impact it has had on our lives and the economy. The invention of bubble wrap. The story of bubble wrap begins in 1957 with two innovative minds, Alfred Fielding and Mark Chavan. These engineers were initially trying to create a textured wallpaper, believing that their invention could add a unique aesthetic to home decor. However, their vision took an unexpected turn when they realized that the material they developed, two shower curtains sealed together with air bubbles, had far greater potential as a protective packaging solution. Despite their initial excitement, Fielding and Chavan faced significant challenges during the early development of bubble wrap. The wallpaper concept didn't catch on, leaving them with a product that seemed to have no market. It wasn't until they pivoted their focus to packaging that they began to see the true value of their creation. They recognized that the air-filled bubbles could provide excellent cushioning for fragile items, making it ideal for shipping and storage. This transition from a failed wallpaper idea to a revolutionary packaging material was not instantaneous. It required persistence and creativity to convince businesses of bubble wrap's benefits. Ultimately, their innovative spirit paid off, as bubble wrap became a household name and a crucial component in the shipping industry, forever changing how we protect our valuables during transit. The rise of bubble wrap in packaging. Bubble wrap quickly became a staple in the packaging industry due to several key factors that contributed to its widespread adoption. First and foremost, its lightweight nature made it an economical choice for shipping, reducing overall transportation costs. Additionally, the cushioning properties of bubble wrap provided unparalleled protection for fragile items, making it an attractive option for businesses looking to minimize damage during transit. Various industries benefited immensely from bubble wrap's protective qualities. The electronics sector, for instance, relied heavily on bubble wrap to safeguard delicate components during shipping. Similarly, the e-commerce boom in the late 1990s and early 2000s further propelled bubble wrap into the spotlight, as online retailers sought reliable packaging solutions to ensure customer satisfaction. Significant milestones marked bubble wrap's commercial success. In 1960, the Sealed Air Corporation was founded, and it began mass-producing bubble wrap, making it widely available to businesses. By the 1980s, bubble wrap had become synonymous with packaging, and its popularity continued to soar. Today, it is estimated that billions of square feet of bubble wrap are produced each year, underscoring its vital role in the logistics and shipping industries. This remarkable journey highlights how a simple invention evolved into an essential tool for protecting goods worldwide. Bubble wrap's cultural impact. Bubble wrap has transcended its original purpose as a packaging material to become a cultural icon in various realms. Its role in art is particularly fascinating, with artists using bubble wrap as a medium for creative expression. From sculptures to installations, the material's unique texture and visual appeal have inspired countless works, showcasing its versatility beyond mere functionality. Moreover, bubble wrap has gained popularity as a stress relief tool. The simple act of popping the bubbles provides a satisfying sensory experience that many find therapeutic. This phenomenon has led to bubble wrap being embraced in offices and homes alike, where people indulge in popping sessions to alleviate stress and anxiety. The tactile nature of bubble wrap engages the senses, making it a favorite among both children and adults. In popular culture, bubble wrap has made memorable appearances in advertising campaigns, often highlighting its fun and quirky nature. One notable campaign featured bubble wrap as a symbol of excitement and surprise, effectively capturing the attention of audiences. These campaigns have not only reinforced bubble wrap's playful image, but also solidified its place in the collective consciousness. Overall, bubble wrap's cultural significance extends far beyond packaging, making it a beloved element of everyday life. The billion-dollar industry. The bubble wrap industry has evolved into a billion-dollar market, reflecting its significant financial success and robust growth trends. As of recent estimates, the global bubble wrap market is valued at over $4 billion, with projections indicating a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of around 5% over the next several years. This growth is driven by the increasing demand for protective packaging solutions across various sectors, including e-commerce, electronics, and pharmaceuticals. Several major companies dominate the bubble wrap production landscape, with Sealed Air Corporation being one of the most prominent players. Founded by the inventors of bubble wrap, Sealed Air continues to innovate and expand its product offerings. Other key companies include Pregis, Intertape Polymer Group, and Storopac, all of which contribute to the competitive nature of the market. Looking ahead, the future prospects for the bubble wrap industry appear promising. Innovations in sustainable materials and eco-friendly packaging solutions are gaining traction as consumers and businesses alike prioritize environmental responsibility. Companies are exploring biodegradable alternatives to traditional bubble wrap, which could reshape the market landscape. As e-commerce continues to thrive, the demand for effective protective packaging will likely drive further advancements and growth in the bubble wrap industry, ensuring its relevance for years to come. Sustainability and innovation. As the bubble wrap industry continues to thrive, environmental concerns have come to the forefront, prompting a re-evaluation of its impact on the planet. Traditional bubble wrap is made from plastic, which poses significant challenges in terms of waste and pollution. While bubble wrap is technically recyclable, many consumers are unaware of proper recycling methods, leading to increased landfill contributions. This has sparked a growing movement towards sustainability within the industry. In response to these concerns, several eco-friendly alternatives and innovations in packaging have emerged. Companies are now exploring biodegradable bubble wrap made from materials like plant-based polymers, which break down more easily in the environment. Additionally, some manufacturers are developing reusable bubble wrap options, allowing consumers to minimize waste while still enjoying the protective benefits. Consumer awareness and demand for sustainable packaging solutions are on the rise, driven by a growing consciousness about environmental issues. Shoppers are increasingly seeking products that align with their values, prompting businesses to adopt greener practices. As a result, many companies are investing in research and development to create innovative packaging solutions that reduce environmental impact. This shift not only addresses consumer concerns but also positions the bubble wrap industry for a more sustainable future, balancing functionality with ecological responsibility. Conclusion. In this video, we've explored the remarkable journey of bubble wrap, from its humble beginnings as a failed wallpaper idea to its transformation into a billion-dollar industry. We examined how inventors Alfred Fielding and Mark Chavons turned a simple concept into a vital packaging solution that has become indispensable in various sectors, including e-commerce and electronics. Beyond its economic impact, bubble wrap has woven itself into the fabric of our culture, serving as a source of stress relief and artistic inspiration. Its playful nature has made it a beloved item, while its significance in packaging continues to grow, prompting innovations aimed at sustainability and environmental responsibility. As we wrap up, we hope you found this exploration of bubble wrap both engaging and informative. If you enjoyed the content and want to learn more about fascinating topics like this, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends who might also appreciate the unexpected stories behind everyday items. Your support helps us create more intriguing content that dives deep into the world around us. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.